Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Specialista Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the grinder was not grinding anymore and we had to replace it. This is the old grinder of the machine and inside here is the brand new grinder of the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test the machine up. We're going to be grinding some beans as you can kind of hear it. And then we're going to do some hot water, some steam and an espresso shot. Perfect. As you can see, the gauge is at the optimal level. Nice flow coming out of the machine. And great crema coming out of that shot. As you can see here, a nice thick layer of crema, excellent color, looking great. Hot water for this machine, as you can see, it's a nice heavy set stream coming out of the one. Good temperature, working great as well. And for the steam, we're gonna wait for the steamer to get up to temperature, but once it gets to temperature, we're gonna see steam coming out of the one. As you can hear and see, it's a nice powerful steam, irrigate pressure, excellent temperature. So there you have it, DeLonghi Specialista working once again. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.